Hey, what's up y'all, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with FoodPRO. Today we're going to be making an open-faced turkey sandwich, a hot brown style, served on a cheddar jalapeno scone. The star of this month's show is item number 11379, which is a jalapeno cheddar scone dough from Pillsbury. It's a frozen product, comes just like this. You bake it from frozen in about 20 minutes. You can make a traditional handheld sandwich with it. You can do all kinds of things, but it's a really great product. And let's get started. All right, this one's going to be pretty easy because I've done all the prep work prior to shooting here. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to take one of these cheddar scones and I'm going to slice it down the middle like a sandwich. We'll assemble this thing. I got two halves here, and you can see the big chunks of jalapeno in here. It's real jalapenos and the cheddar throughout. So it's a really nice product. So I got my two halves. I'm going to use a good quality turkey. This one happens to be a foil wrapped one from Purdue because I want to slice it thick. You can see that. It's nice and thick. Topped with turkey. I got some fresh Roma tomatoes. I'm going to go 3 slices per. And then I've made a Mornay sauce, which is a classical sauce. It's a cream sauce, and I made it extra thick here because you'll see I want to put it on top of here, and I don't want it to run all over the place. I'm going to finish this in the oven, and it'll get brown. That's why it's called a hot brown, right? So I'm just going to put a scoop of that. And this is a cream sauce, and I've added a pecorino parmesan cheese to this. I mean, some people put Swiss in there. It's basically a bechamel sauce with cheese added to it. But I like the flavor of the Romano. And that's what it looks like here, grated. I'm going to sprinkle this on top, and that'll help give it some good brown spots. And it's going to melt when we put it in the oven. And as a garnish and, of course, flavor, I'm going to top it off with some bacon. What I did was just cook some bacon, cut it in half. I'm going to set that next to it because I want the top of this to get nice and brown. The bacon will get heated next to it, and we'll crisscross it on the top for a presentation. But that's really quick and simple. You just roast off some turkey, slice it thick, bake off your scones, par bake them, and put it together. Make your Mornay sauce ahead of time. It's ready to go in the oven. It's a really quick, nice lunch item, or even a dinner item for a bistro style restaurant or something like that. So I'll just throw them in the oven and we'll get to plating it up. Alright, so we've come out of the oven here. You can see it's nice and bubbly. Everything's hot, ready to go. Serve it with french fries. Oh boy, that looks good. Like I said, got some crispy bacon, crisscross on top. And with a little parsley. There you have it, folks. We've got a open-faced turkey sandwich, hot brown style, served on a cheddar jalapeno scone. Thanks for cooking with FoodPRO.